Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, dear little learner. How are all of you? I'm your teacher, Miss Tanzila, and you are joining me in English class. Okay? And the topic for today lecture is writing formation of letter V and W. We are going to learn how to write letter V and W in both cases, in lowercase and in uppercase. You will learn in this lecture how to write small and capital letter V and W. Other than that, we are also going to do some activity of matching the letters. You will match the capital letter with the capital letter, and you will also match the capital letter with a small letter. And other than that, I'll give you some options and you will circle the correct option of the given letter. And I have select a letter from A to P for today lecture. We will do all these activity from a letter A to P. So let's start our today lecture. First of all, it's very important to revise our alphabets because we are going to do the different activity with the letters. So it's important that once we revise the letters, okay? So let's start reading with me, okay? What is this? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. And today we will learn these two letters, okay? How to write V and W. X, Y, and Z. The last letter is Z. Well done. Now get ready, take out your pencil and your notebook to start learning how you will write the letter V and W. Are you ready? Okay, you are ready. So take out your pencil. This is letter V. Letter V. Start from the top, come down, just like a slanting line. Then from the bottom to the first line from where you start to the top, okay? You must need 3-line copy, okay? And this is called capital letter V. Again, start from the top, come to the bottom, then from the bottom to the top. Just 2 slanting line opposite to each other. Now you try, this is your turn, how you will write the capital letter V. Okay, start from the top to the bottom and then from the bottom to the top. Well done, you done it correctly. Can you write now letter V, capital letter V? Well done. Now we are going to write the small letter V. You will start from the middle of the line to the bottom and then from the bottom to the middle of the line. Well done. Okay, it's just like a capital, but you will start it from the middle. Just let's try once more. Start from the bottom to the middle to the bottom and then from the bottom to the middle. Well done. Now it's your turn. You will do it. How you will write it? Let's start writing. Yes, from the middle to the bottom and then from the bottom to the middle. Well done. Very good. You can done it correctly. Well done. Now we are going to learn the letter W. Okay, it's also just a combination of slanting line. Start from the top of the line and then come to the bottom, and then from the bottom to the top again. Just opposite to the first line, and then again from the top to the bottom, opposite to the second line. All these lines are called slanting line. Okay, four slanting line make a letter W. Well done, well done. Okay, now let's try once more. Start from the top and then come to the bottom, make a slanting line, then from the bottom to the top make another slanting line, and then from the top to the down make another slanting line, and the last again from the bottom to the top. Well done, very good. And this is called capital letter, uppercase W. Now it's your turn. Okay, how you will write this letter? Start from the top and then go to the top again and then again. Well done, very good. Now it's time to learn the capital W. Again, the capital W, small w is just like a capital W, but you will start from the middle, then come to the down, then from the down to the middle again, and then from the middle to the down again. Okay, just like this. And then from the down to the middle again make another slanting line. You will use the middle and the last line for the small w. Okay, lowercase w. Let's try it again, just like this, and you'll go to the middle and then come again to the top and then go to the middle again. Well done, very good. Now it's your turn. You people will draw this. Okay, how you will write this? Start from here, start from here, come down, then go up, come down, and then go up. Well done. You do it correctly. Well done. Now you can write the letter W. Well done. Now it's time for activity. It's going to be very interesting, okay? What you will match capital letters with the capital letters, okay? There are letters written on the ice cream, like look here, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Well done. Okay. Now there are also the same letter down, but they are not in order. What you will do, you will find the same letter and then you will match. Look here, this one is A. Where is the letter A? This one is the letter A. No, where is the letter A? This one is the letter A. Match it with A. Now find out B. Where is the letter B? This one is letter B. Match it with letter B. Well done. Now C. Where is the letter C? This one is letter C. It's just same. Capital letter with capital letter. Okay. Now let's check out the letter D. Where is the letter D? This one is letter D. Well done. Well done. Now where is E? Find out E. This one is E. Look here, this one and this one is same. Match it. Now letter F. Where is the letter F? This one? No, this one is letter F. Match it with letter F. Now where is the letter G? This one is letter G? No, this one and this one is the letter G. The last one is H and this one is H. Just like this. Well done. Open your notebook, pause the screen and write this in your notebook. Okay, dear little learner? Now let's come after the G, our letter is I. I, J, K, L, M, N, O, and P. Now we are going to match this, okay? Where is the letter I? Here is the letter I. So match it with letter I, okay? Now find out J. Where is J? This one is J? No, this one is J. Match it with J. Now find out K. Where is K? Here is a K. Yes, you do it correctly. Well done. Now find out the letter K. This one is letter K? No. Sorry, letter L. Where is letter L? Look here. this one and this one is same, so we will match these two. Okay, this is letter K and this one is letter K. Now after K, the letter M. Where is M? This one? No, this one is letter M and this one is letter M. Well done. Match the same letter. Okay, and now check out the next one. After M is N, and where is M? Where is M? N, sorry, N. This one is letter N, okay? Letter N to N and letter O to O. You will match letter O to letter O. Now P to P. This one and this one is same. Well done. Well done, okay? Capital letter with capital letter. Now we are going to match the capital letter with the small one, okay? The uppercase letter you will match with the lowercase letter. Understand? So where is A? Find out A. Where is A? This one is A? No, this one is A. Well done. B. Our next letter is B. Next letter is B. So where is B? B. This one is B, small letter B. This one is small letter. You all are familiar with these letters because you have learned it many times, okay? Now letter C, where is letter C? It's just like a C. Here is D. Where is D? Can you find it? Where is D? This one is D. Match it with letter D. Now E. E is just different from the capital letter. Look here, this one is E. You will match the capital letter with the small letter. Now where is F? Letter F. Where is letter F? This one is letter F. No. Well done. This one is letter F. Now the last one is G and this one is G. Well done. You do it correctly. Now let's come with me to do some more activities, okay? Now we are repeating the same letter from A to G with another method, okay? So that you guys can understand it well, okay? The same letter I am repeating with another activity. A, where is letter A? This is a capital, a small letter, and you will find its capital letter. Where is letter? This one is letter A. Now it's your ice cream is complete, okay? This is a cup of ice cream and this is your ice cream. Now this is letter B, small letter B, and find its capital letter. Where is, there is. Well done. Now you have a 2 cup of ice cream. Now this is a letter C. Find its capital letter C. This one is letter C. Now look here, C and C. Capital letter A and small letter A and capital letter A. Small letter B and capital letter B. Small letter C and capital letter C. Okay, now D. Find out D. You can find it. I know. You know where is letter D. This one is letter D. Okay, now come after D, letter E. And this is the small letter E. We will find its capital. Where is the E? This one is E. Okay, now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ice cream. Well done. Now letter F. Where is letter F? It's just like this one. Look like this one. Yes. This is the capital letter F. Now G, find out G. Yes, well done, well done. Now the last one is H. Okay. Now you complete your this activity. Look here, A and capital letter A, B, capital letter B, small letter and capital letter C, D and capital letter D, E and capital letter E, small f and capital letter F, G small and capital letter G, and the last one is H and the capital letter H. Well done. Now we are going to match the letter from I to P, okay? From small to capital, okay? What you are going to do? You are going to join the capital letter with the small from I to P. Understand? So where is I? Where is I? This one, where is M? Sorry, where is M? Where is M? This one is small m. Now our next letter is N. Do you know which one is N? This one? No, this one is match it with this one. Now O. Where is letter O? Where is letter O? This one? Where is he? He's, where is the letter? Where is the letter O sleeping? Here. Okay. Now our next letter is P. Where is P? Here is P hiding. Okay, P is hiding here. Now our next letter is I, and this one is I. Now our next letter is J, and this one is J, the capital J and the small j. Now compare and match the capital K with the small k. Now the last one is L, and where is L? This one is L. Well done, you do it correctly. Now come to check out our next activity. Now what you will do, circle the matching lowercase letter in each row. There are capital letters. Okay, what you will do, in front of the capital letter there are also some small letter. You will find the correct small letter and then you will circle. Okay, what is this letter called? It is letter A. It is letter A. And where is letter A? This one is letter A. Well done. Circle it. Now letter B. Letter B. Find out letter B. This one is letter B. No, this one is letter D. This one is letter D. A stranding line and then a complete curve toward the right direction. Okay. Now letter C. Where is the letter C? This one is letter C or this one? No, both of these are not a letter C. This one is letter C. Now D, wait, this one is letter D? No, no, no. Look here, this is letter B. This one and this one are same. This one and this one is same. So where is the letter D? It's just like B, but it's curved in the towards the left direction. Okay. Now E, you have already matched capital to the small, so you must be know where is the letter E. Here is the letter E. Well done. Letter F. This is letter F? No. This one is letter F. Okay. G. Where is G? This one? This one is O. This one is B. You have already done. This one? Yes, this one is G. Well done. Now H. Where is the letter H? This one is the letter H. Understand? Now let's do the next after H. I. Find out the I's. Small I, lowercase I. Where is the lowercase I? Here is the lowercase I. Now J, where is letter J? Where is letter J? Here is letter J. Well done. K, where is K? This one is K? No, it's just look like this, but it's small and it's our required letter because we are going to find the small a K. Now let's find out L. Where is letter L? L is just like a one, small letter, just like a one. So where is it? It is just here. Now M. Where is M? Where is M? Here is M. Yes, well done. Now N. Where is letter N? This is letter N. No, this is S. This is, no, this one is I and this one is O and this one is N. Very good. Where is letter O? It's the small letter O is just like a capital letter O. Where is the small letter O? Here. Yes, this one is letter O. Now P. P is just like a capital letter. A small p is just like a capital letter P. But where is P sleeping? Where is P hiding? Where is? Here. Well done. Well done. Very good. Now it's time for a homework. What you will do? You will write the capital and the small, the lowercase and the uppercase, V and W and your notebook. Okay, you have just learned that you will use the first three line for the capital and the middle and the last line for the small v, and same like this for W also. Okay, you will write it in your copy and then you will check it from your teacher. So bye for now. See you soon in the next lecture.